Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can use two Instagram accounts at same time. So just click on Play Store and type Parallel app here. Just click on it and you can see just click on first one. I have already downloaded this app, so just go back and click on this app. Now you can click on add option. Here you can see there are a lot of options like Facebook, Snapchat. You can use multiple accounts at same time. So just go back and click on Instagram. Here click on allow access. Allow. Just go back and now you can see I can use multiple Instagram accounts at same time. Yes, just look it. I can use multiple accounts at same time. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.